Let's start with exercise 4.1. The first question is, the cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen. Write a linear equation into variables to represent the statement, right? So what is the unknown? Always look for what is the unknown. So what is the unknown here? The unknown here is the cost of the notebook as well as the cost of the pen. So we'll take that as X and Y as it is written as a hint here. Okay, take the cost of a notebook to be rupees X, take the cost of that of a pen to be Y, right? So we were asked to take it in the same way. So we'll try to take it in the same way. Okay. So how do we write? We'll write let the cost of one notebook, right? A notebook be X. Let the cost the same way, or you can write and the cost of a pen be how much? Y, right? So what is the relation? The cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen. So X is equal to cost of a notebook is means equal to twice the cost of a pen. So X is equal to Y. So X minus 2Y is equal to 0 is the standard form, right? So this is a linear equation in two variables. Next question we have here is, express the following linear equation: Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. That is in the standard form. So how do we write it in the standard form? Very simple. We have 2x plus 3y minus 9.35 bar, right? That's how we write equal to 0. So what is your a here? Your a is here 2, b here is 3, c here is minus 9.35 bar. So that is the standard form, and that is the value of a, b, and c. Next one, we have x minus y by 5 minus 10 equal to 0, right? So this is 1x. So a is what? A is 1. What is b? B is minus 1 by 5, right? Whatever numbers associate along with the variable is your coefficient, right? So b is what? Minus 1 by 5. What is c? Minus 10, right? Do not forget the negative signs and always arrange them in the correct order. Minus 2x plus 3y is equal to 6. So we can write it as minus 2x plus 3y minus 6 is equal to 0, right? So a is what? Minus 2. B is what? This is a. B is what? B is 3, right? Is it plus 3 or minus 3? You have to be very careful. Is it plus 3 or minus 3? It is plus 3. Is it plus 6 or minus 6? It is minus 6. So C is minus 6. So this is the general form: ax plus by plus c, right? Next question, we can write it as x minus 3y. Take everything to the left hand side, right? What is a? A here is 1. Okay. What is b? B here is minus 3. What is c? There is no c, that means c is 0. Very simple. Next one, we have 2y is equal to minus 5y, right? So minus 5 will come here, it will become plus 5y, it will become 0, right? Take the minus 5y, put it to the left hand side, move it to the left hand side, it will become plus 5y. So what is your a? A here is 2. What is your b? B here is 5. Very simple. That's how you get your answers. All right, let's see the next question. Express the following linear equation, same type: 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. So 3x plus 2 is equal to 0, right? Write the general form: ax plus by plus c. Always write the general form, okay? Then you can easily compare. A is what? B. A is what? 3, right? B is there? No, there is no b. There is no y. So c is what? 2. So a is equal to 3, b is equal to 0, and c is equal to 2. Now we have a problem here. What is the problem? Any idea? So it is 3x plus 2, right? Why the y part or the b part is being what? 0, right? Correct? The b part becomes 0. So what do we do in this case? Is this a linear equation in two variables? Now that's an interesting question. Is it a linear equation in two variables is what you need to think. So here in this figure, 3x plus 2y, you can write it as 3x plus 0y plus 2 equal to 0, right? A is what? 3. Okay, b is what? 0. C is what? 2. Okay, you can write it in this form, but normally we do not write, we cannot say it is. There are two different explanations for this. I'll give you a concept of this. The problem here is, this is actually a linear equation one variable. A linear equation one variable is trying to be represented as a linear equation in two variables here. Why? Because we're putting b is equal to 0, right? B is equal to 0 means what? 0 into y, the y variable will go, right? Correct now? So it is a linear equation one variable itself, but it is represented as a linear equation in two variables. In that logic, this is correct. But by definition, a linear equation in two variables, A, B, and C, belongs to a real number, and A and B cannot be equal to 0. Okay. So you can say by definition, okay, you can say by definition of linear equation on two variables, the above is a linear equation in one variable, which can be represented in this, but it is not actually done like that. Okay, so you can state this is actually a linear equation in one variable, not two variable. You can also say that. But if you want, if we need to express it as a linear equation two variable, we can write it as 3x plus 0y plus 2 is equal to 0. B is 0. Linear equation in two variables definition which we have learned was like this, right? But that is fine. You can write it in both forms. Okay, you can say this is actually linear equation one variable, but it can also be written as linear equation two variable, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 when b becomes equal to 0. Like that you have to state. Okay, all right. Now next question, y minus 2 is equal to 0. How is y minus 2 is equal to 0? Let's see. The same way I can write 0 into x plus 1 into y minus 2 is equal to 0. So what is your a? A is 1, b is, no, a is 0, b is 1, and c is minus 2, right? So you have to say this is a linear equation one variable, but can be represented as a linear equation two variable, giving a is equal to 0, b is equal to 1, and c is equal to minus 2, right? Okay, so it depends upon the textbook. Some textbooks don't accept this, okay, but in our way of learning, we can say yes, it can be written like this when we take a is equal to 0 or b is equal to 0. That's the only difference. Okay, now we have 5 is equal to 2x, so I can write it as 2x minus 5 equal to 0, 2x plus 0y minus 5 is equal to 0, a is equal to 2, b is equal to 0, and c is equal to minus 5. One of my students had asked me, sir, what if I move the 2x to the other side, left hand side? So it will become 5 minus 2x plus 0y, right, equal to 0. You can rearrange them, no problem. A is equal to minus 2, b is equal to what? 0, c is equal to plus 5. This both are correct. Both of them are correct. There is no issue here. Okay.